So setting a boundary is not actually rude, but is actually a yes for you and really connecting to what is true in yourself and being able to set limits for what you need. And your body needs to, when you're setting this boundary, your body needs to reflect the energy behind that boundary. So in today's video, we're going to explore a few different ways in saying no, in setting boundaries for yourself. And then you'll see how the energy behind it is going to change and how people will respond differently. So thank you for joining me. I'm AmyC with You Finding You. I'm an intuitive and transformational coach. And currently, if you check in the dialog box below, you'll see there are links to my community, the Body Wisdom Way, where we connect with our body, listening to and really knowing who we are from the inside. So again, do check that out. Links are in the dialog box below. So a whispered no might sound optional to someone, or having a steady, firm no can come across more clear to people. And your body is also communicating the energy of that. So let's go ahead and jump into this exploration and play with a few different ways of how we're going to say no and setting a boundary. Now, you might not use exactly saying no, and you might be able to explain more to people your reasoning or needing to do this for yourself. But in this exploration today, we're just going to use the word no. So we'll go ahead and jump into this. And the first thing is just say no with a whisper, like no, no. And then go into using the normal tone of a no. So just no. And then go into really super firm no, no. And see how the energy of that, if we go back through the energy of it, and even seeing how my body shifts when I'm doing that, or your body shifts when you use each of these no's. So just no to neutral, no to really strong and firm, no. And again, seeing what happens in your own body when you do that. Then let's go into using your hand as a stop signal as well, and just doing it as a meek kind of silent whisper, but no, even with the hand of like a subtle little no, to clear, just neutral, no, to really firm and over exaggerating strong, no. And you can see the energy in that too, like noticing how different people would respond to that, or think about how people are going to respond to each of those. So if you do the meek one of like, no, like, do people even notice it, or will they respond in a way, or be kind of like, this is awkward and weird, and oh, I can still go ahead and do this. Then if you do the neutral one, no, you're getting more firm, you're getting more genuine behind it. And then the over exaggerated one is almost too much. So no, and it's coming across in a way that maybe people will be turned off by that one. So noticing which one feels more genuine and real in yourself, and noticing which one, how people are going to react to it. So when you feel shy or meek or like, I don't want to say no, you might come across in that intimidating way and still have people coming across your boundaries, even though you want to set something, because you're not fully committed to it, people will still cross the boundary. Where if you say it with that neutral way, and that you maybe don't have to use the hand, but using the hand can help you right now in this practice. No, just saying that no. And then again, trying it firmly, saying it firmly, no. Like my hand even extends more and it's really firm. Now, you might want the energy of that behind it, but do you want to come across genuine? Do you want to come across understanding and being able to set your boundaries? So play with this in yourself. Notice what kind of energy is coming across when you are wanting to set boundaries with something, when you are saying, this is not what I want, and really it is a yes for you. Like you are listening to what you want, and in saying no to someone else, it's a yes for you. So play with it again of what does no, what does the energy behind it? How is it coming across to other people? And then you can be more aware of how people are going to respond to you. So thank you guys for joining me today. If you are enjoying and getting value out of these videos, do hit that like, share, and subscribe. And again, if you're curious to explore more of these ways to connect into your body knowing, into really knowing who you are from the inside, do check out the link in the dialog box below for the Body Wisdom Way. I look forward to seeing you there. And thank you again. I'll see you in the next video.